Welcome to Millionaire Library. This video is going to show you how you can start your own digital books library business for only 199 Rand and potentially earn 78,250 Rand every month. For just 199 Rand, you will get unlimited 30-day access to the following. Number 1, a fully set up and done for you Millionaire Library affiliate website. Number 2, access to over 130 digital books valued at over 22,000 Rand, which you can download and keep for life. Number 3, a simple system that makes it possible for 3,905 people to pay you between 20 Rand and 50 Rand every single month, making you an average of about 78,250 Rand every month. Number 4, you also get access to weekly payouts, which will be made directly to your bank account. The Millionaire Library is an ebook membership website that was designed to help anyone create an extra source of monthly income. By becoming a member of the Millionaire Library, it will be just like owning your very own library, which has members that pay you a monthly fee to get access to your library every month. The best thing about this is that everything is already done for you. All you have to do to potentially earn 78,250 Rand is to join and refer just 5 active direct referrals using your Millionaire Library affiliate website. Your affiliate website will be instantly created for you once you join and activate your Millionaire Library account. So here's how you can potentially earn an extra 78,250 Rand every month with your own Millionaire Library affiliate business. When you activate your membership, you will instantly get access to your own 5-level affiliate network compensation plan with 5 earning levels. You will start at level 1 and finish at level 5. In level 1, you will earn 50 Rand commission payments for every active member that you personally refer to Millionaire Library. You are only required to work in level 1. In levels 2, 3, 4, and 5, you will start earning unlimited 20 Rand commission payments on autopilot because your referred downlines will now be doing all the work for you and making you money on autopilot. All the downlines in your Millionaire Library network will then refer 5 people each for 5 levels deep. So since you referred 5 members to your level 1, this means in level 2 you will automatically have 25 members earning you 500 Rand. In level 3, 125 members will earn you 2,500 Rand. In level 4, 625 members will earn you 12,500 Rand. And finally, in level 5, 3,125 members will earn you 62,500 Rand. This will make you a total profit of 78,250 Rand from all 5 levels. And if you want to earn more, you simply refer more than 5 members to your Millionaire Library income network in your level 1. There are no limits to your earning possibilities with the Millionaire Library. You can even earn more than 78,250 Rand if you work hard at this. Now let's take a closer look at how long it can take for you to make your first 78,250 Rand if everyone in your team each refers 5 members to your Millionaire Library income network during their first 5 days of activation. This means it will take you 5 days to make 250 Rand in level 1. 10 days to make an extra 500 Rand in level 2, 15 days to make an extra 2,500 Rand in level 3, 20 days to make an extra 12,500 Rand in level 4, and finally just 25 days to make an extra 62,500 Rand in level 5. This actually means you can easily surpass the 78,250 Rand mark in just 25 days instead of 30 days. But that's not all. We also developed the Millionaire Library so that it can be able to make you monthly passive income just like real estate. This is why every membership license expires after 30 days. When this happens and your 3,905 downlines decide to renew their membership for another 30 days, you will automatically earn another 78,250 Rand in extra monthly profit on autopilot without any extra work. This is the power of membership sites. Getting started is very easy. Step 1, register and become a Millionaire Library member. Step number 2, activate your Millionaire Library membership for only 199 Rand to get access to over 130 digital books and your Millionaire Library affiliate website. Step number 3, refer 5 active members using your referral links and instantly earn your first 250 Rand. Step number 4, start getting paid weekly and potentially earn 78,250 Rand every month. Please remember that this is a real business that provides all your referred clients with access to download over 130 digital books which are valued at over 22,000 Rand and an opportunity for them to become your Millionaire Library business partners. The harder you work at this, the more you will earn. So, if you are ready to create an extra source of income for yourself and your family, register your Millionaire Library account today.